Good morning, my dear students. In my all previous classes, that grammar part I was engaging, grammar part. Today, let us move to this course book, prose, 8th chapter, Watchman of the Lake. So, here this Watchman of the Lake, it is one act play. You have to remember. You have to remember that it is one act play written by R.K. Narayan, famous novelist, short story writer. R.K. Narayan, and his education he has completed even in our Mysore. So, R.K. Narayan, he was born on 10th October 1906 and he passed away on 13th May 2001. R.K. Narayan, and it is a play, one act play written by R.K. Narayan, was an Indian author whose works of fiction include series of books about people and their interaction in an imagined town in India called Malgudi. So, interaction is known for Malgudi days, even that series of books that used to in the form of fiction, Indian author whose works of fiction includes series of books about people and their interactions in an imagined town in India called Malgudi. Even that telecasted in TV, Malgudi days, it was famous on those days. And here interaction, see that series, in that his work, what means people, to whom he used to interact people. He is one of the three leading figures of early Indian literature in English. Indian literature in English. See, divided this literature, it has divided in three separate type: British literature, American literature, Indian literature in English. Some three famous who used to write in English, not in their mother tongue. In that famous three leading writers, R.K. Narayan is one among them. So, that is what here. He is one of three leading figures of early Indian literature in English, along with Mulk Raj Anand, famous writer Mulk Raj Anand, and Raja Rao. Raja Rao is from our Karnataka. Raja Rao, Mulk Raj Anand, then R.K. Narayan. These three writers, they are famous who used to write in English itself, not in their mother tongue, Kannada, Tamil, no. In their mother tongue, they have not written, they have started to write in English, and these three writers, they are major in Indian literature in English. So, writer, they used to write in English itself. So, that is what here we can see. He is credited with bringing Indian literature in English to the rest of the world. So, here he brought, means bring, Indian literature in English to the rest of the world. He is regarded as one of the India's greatest English novelists. So, that is what here R.K. Narayan, English novelist. I told you that he used to write in English. So, that is what here. Narayan rarely wrote plays, and the present one is said to be a dramatized version of his short story, The Watchman. So, basically, The Watchman he wrote in the form of short story, but present what they prescribed you said to be a dramatized version, dramatized one act play of his short story. It is dramatized, means written in one act play. The Watchman, Watchman of the Lake, Watchman of the Lake, it has written. Remember, when we say play, one act play, there will be characters, and as a spectators we have to read, understand what a writer want to say through that one act play. So, that is what here. Character will be important. Whenever we come across play, there will be what? Character. We have to remember character, according to character. So, who will be playing? So, we have to imagine that that we sat in auditorium and on stage, according to character they will come, act and go. One act play, according to that act scene they will arrange on stage, they come and act. So, in that span of 30 to 1 hour, they want to give message. That theme we have to what? Grasp. What a writer want to inform, give a message from that one act play, that we have to understand. So, remember Narayan, famous writer, used to write in English. Apart from this Narayan, Mulkraj Anand, Raja Rao, they were good writers. Write in what? Indian English, Indian literature in English. They started their own form, literary form, that in English they wrote novels. It is dramatized version, basically short story of Narayan, R.K. Narayan, and it has dramatized. So, character, see this character, characters they are very important. Village headman, king, Mara, watchman of the lake, Ganga, his son, then son, Ganga's son, Bhima, a road workers. One name is given here. So many people, they used to what? Work, construct. They used to, in the beginning of this one act play, people, they used to busy in that what? Constructing road. That Bhima is one among those workers. So, a road work. We have to remember all these characters. Village headman, king, Mara, main character, watchman of the lake, watchman of the lake. Here, watchman of the lake. Watchman of the lake. Then Ganga, Mara's son, Ganga. Then Ganga's son, one, but name is not given, just son they have given, Bhima, a road worker. These are the characters that you have to remember. You have to remember all these characters. Then easily you can understand. So, title of this one act play, Watchman of the Lake. Sarovarada Kavalugara. Sarovarada Kavalugara. Watchman, Kavalugara. So, that is what here, that characters is very important. Before to explain this one act play, you should know what background of this play. So, let us see here. See, one on the east base of Baba Buddana Hills in Karnataka state. Here, east based of Baba Buddana Giri Hills in Karnataka state. It comes in Chikmagalur district, Baba Buddanagiri Hills in Chikmagalur, Karnataka. There is an obscure Prasiddha Padadillada, indistinct, not popular, obscure little place now called Sakkare Pattana. Today we call in the name of what? That place Sakkare Pattana. Sakkare Pattana. On the eastern base of Baba Buddanagiri Hills. Place is there. Present they call it as a Sakkare Pattana, which at one time, thousands or more years ago, was the capital of a king called Rukmanghada. Remember Rukmanghada. Rukmanghada. Here, capital of a king called Rukmanghada. So, that is what here. Once, thousands or more years ago, was the capital of a king called Rukmanghada. So, today Sakkare Pattana on the what here nearby of Baba Buddanagiri Hills, near in Karnataka, that too in Chikmagalur district. In the center of this town, there is a shrine which is dedicated not to distant gods or heroes, but to a rustic countryman village man who was watchman of a lake called Ayyanakere. See what we have to understand. In the center of the town, what we call Sakkare Pattana, there is a small what here temple, shrine, Gopura, a temple which is dedicated not to distant gods or heroes, but to a rustic, nothing but here ordinary man. So what we can see means beginning entrance center of that town, one can see what here pedestal God, then beside of that water, not below God, then next what here a person who used to what dedicated not to distant gods or heroes, dedicated. How we will be praying to God? So like that here everybody they used to come to pray to that what? Idols. God, then here person, countryman, here watchman. What the title is there? Watchman of the lake. Those idols we can see entrance, means in the center of this town there is a shrine which is dedicated not to distant gods or heroes, but to a rustic who was watchman of a lake called Ayyanakere. Remember here Ayyanakere, name of a what? Lake, Ayyanakere. Lake, watchman of the lake. Then here what it is? Ayyanakere. So that is what here, watchman of the lake. 4 miles from the town, for the purposes of this little drama, let us call him Mara. Here a common name, writer want to take it, name it a person, name to be given to this watchman. What it is? Little drama, let us call him Mara. Mara. Common name, he want to give it in his character, means one act play as a character, to name it a common name Mara, watchman of the lake. So, for miles from the town, for the purpose of this little drama, let us call him Mara, who is a good as any other name handed down to us by tradition. So, it is as good as, to keep this name is as good as traditionally we have got it, and common name everybody we can call it. So, that is what here. Remember here R.K. Narayan, title of this one act play. Remember, it is not a poem, it is not a short story, it is not a essay, one act play. So, you have to remember one act play. So, Watchman of the Lake, written by R.K. Narayan, famous writer, novelist who used to write in English, and characters, village headman, king, Mara, Ganga, son, Bhima, and the main character we can see what here, Mara, who used to what? Watch a lake. Name of a lake here what? Here Ayyanakere, and once it was called what? Rukmangada, there, capital of a king called Rukmanagada. So, that is the what here we can see in this one act play. And another one thing, traditionally what one name he has kept, name of that watchman is here Mara. So, let us see here. Another one thing, in this one act play, we come across 5 scenes. There are 5 scenes in this one act play. Scenes, drishyagalu, what we say, bhagagalu. There are 5 scenes in this one act play. ಕಥೆಯ ಈ ಕಥೆಯ ನಾಟಕೀಯ ರೂಪವೇ ಸರೋವರದ ಕಾವಲುಗಾರ. ಸೊ ವಾಚ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೇಕ್. Not popular, famous. Once it was. But R.K. Narayan, he has selected to give in his one act play a person who used to be there like that. So, that we can see. I told you 5 scenes. Each scene will give a idea, means message, information about a person who used to dedicate and served to welfare, to look good to everyone. So, let us see here in the scene 1. So, name of a village they have not given, but village. So, what happens here in scene 1? Everybody, they were busy in their work. They are busy. Next day, king is going to come on that nearby village. So, headman, see here, village headman, he was busy with those workers, people, laborers who used to work in the construction, in the construction of that road, and he was busy. He was just telling, at any cost, till midnight, today, till midnight, if it goes on, until what midnight, we have to finish this road work. Tomorrow, king is going to come and he will be passing in this water, our village. So, when he comes, if we are go on doing this work, he will be taken action on us. So, village headman, he was just scolding those workers to do fast and work and to complete before king to arrival on this road. Everybody, they were busy in their work, and that village headman, he was just seeing, observing, is they are working or not, and strictly he told, if you complete, then I am going to give today's wage, otherwise I will not, like that. He was strictly, they were doing, he was doing strictly, order them to work and complete. In that situation, a fellow who used to stand behind the rock and just looking again and again. In that labors, some few means a person, they started laughing. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಅಣಿಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಅವನು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರು ಒಂದಿಬ್ಬರು ನಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ scold them, why, tell me, and they will start telling, no sir, we are busy, and one fellow, he was just standing behind the rock and again he was just looking, and we started laughing. Who is that fellow? Like that he will call that fellow, and none other than this our what, Mara, none other than that Mara. So let us see here in this first scene. This is the what thing happened. The play set in a village near Baba Budana Hills in Karnataka. Mara, the protagonist, main character in the play. The protagonist means main character in play, and an innocent rustic, innocent person in that village. He was so innocent. Innocent rustic presents himself before the village headman and his workmen who are working the road for the king's arrival. Mara wants to tell the king about the tank, kere, lake, tank, remember. Mara wants to tell the king about the tank. Main point in this scene 1. The headman calls him a fool and orders his man Bhima, see, Bhima to carry him to the cellar. To carry him to the cellar. That is the scene. So here you have to remember one thing. They were busy working to, they were what? Busy in the work constructing the road for the king's arrival. At that time, this Mara, he was just looking again and again, and that will tell, headman will tell, calls him, and he will tell why you have come here. King is arriving. You should not be there when king arrive, and king may point out us that why you have kept in your village this type of fool. So it is better not to look here 2 days. Like that, strictly he will warn to the Mara. And Mara, he will tell to that village headman, no sir, I am not fool. Yesterday I got dream, and the goddess came in my dream, and she told me to inform king. King will be arriving, and you have to inform king to do what I said. So like that, in my dream, God means goddess told me to inform king. And he gets angry, village headman, thinking king may scold me, not that fellow. So, that is what here. Mara want to tell the king about the tank. Here what? In his dream, goddess told him that he want to tell, means inform king. For that purpose he has come. Is that work is completed, and when this king will be arriving, and I have to inform, like that is the reason he has come there to see. But others, they laugh by seeing this Mara, and people, they thought he is fool. But he was very much interested to what? Inform what a dream he has got in this previous night, and he was very much eager to inform a goddess what she told him to do. So he came there. For that reason, here he will tell that. So what he will tell that? Here Mara wants to tell the king about the tank. The headman calls him a fool and orders, headman will order his man, means Bhima, worker. See here, Bhima, a road worker. He will order Bhima, he was very physically fit man, to carry him, to take this what? Mara to the cellar. So that is the what here? Scene first will stop at the end, means it will stop. Beginning what we will see, everybody they are busy and working to complete that road because of what? King's arrival. Then thinking that Mara has come and disturbed his workers, village headman will order Bhima to take him and put in cell. But he will try to convince this village headman, no, I have not come to disturb these people, I have come here to inform, means tell the king about the tank, lake. He will try to tell that I got a dream and like that. But this village headman thinks that he is fool, and if he is be here, king will be, he will scold me keeping this type of people. For that reason, he will order Bhima to take him and put him in cell. So this is the what here we can see first scene. I will continue. I know that you know that 5 scenes are there. One scene is like this. Remaining 4 scenes we can. I will continue in the next class. Remember R.K. Narayan characters and read this first scene. Then you can understand this one act play easily. So, thank you.